Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the new code for 2 cave crystals in Fish It Roblox. So Talon just dropped a brand new code for the latest Fish It updates, and it gives you 2 cave crystals absolutely free. And in here, I'm going to show you the code and show you exactly where to type it. So to enter the code, you can just go to the store, click on this basket icon at the top, and then scroll down until you see the redeem codes option. So you can just enter the codes. It's called Crystal 2, like this, all in caps. And you can just click on redeem. And here, as you guys can see, you can get 2 cave crystal for free. But you need to know that this can only be redeemed or claimed on the private server, not public server. So you need to enter your private server first, and after that you can redeem the code to get the cave crystal for free. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.